At Kaiser, we have 7 CTE programs. We have automotive, TV production, culinary, multimedia design and communication, drama, theater tech, business and finance, and emergency medical response. We have some surveys that we've taken with them, and they are showing they're excited about the classes. More than anything, they're excited about just learning and doing the more hands-on experience. Showing the students that it's not just an elective, it can be something that they can do, that they can learn, and then carry those skills, forevermore. We want the kids to understand that you're picking a pathway, that you're going to start a class and then finish that class. Having fun in some of those classes takes away from the stress of the academic classes, but being able to enjoy some of that stuff that the kids do on campus.